Okay guys, check out this market vendor. They're so busy, they have two grills going and they can't keep up. These sausage are the Northeast Thailand sausage or Isan sausage. In my opinion, they're nothing special normally. They're stuffed with glass noodles, ground pork and glass noodles plus some herbs. Normally not that great in my opinion. Definitely not the best ones around. But as you can see here, they're mighty busy. These are being cooked over gas. Most people use charcoal, but gas is getting more popular. It's a lot easier, that's for sure. As you can see here, the lady in the middle who's dishing everything out, she's waiting for them to come because they're already sold. It's that busy. They might not be my favorite, but they sell good. Pretty cool shot, huh? Sold on a stick. They don't always get sold on a stick, but normally they do. Money in, sausage out. Good business plan, huh? Look how many people are waiting. Unbelievable. Alright guys, that's it. Check out one of these videos. You know you want to watch another one.